So we're in KwaZulu-Natal in South Africa, and we're in a sort of forest setup here. It's a stand we bought, and I wanted to show you guys around a bit, and maybe if we can find a pearl bug and a pearl millipede. There's two different ones. The pearl millipede is the big one, the pearl bug is the small ones, and this looks like the perfect area for them. So they hide between the leaves, so you have to walk very carefully. They do dig as well. And they eat a certain fungus. I'm not sure what yet because I haven't observed them well enough to tell you what fungus, but I know they do eat fungus, and it's a certain type, and that's also why it's not a good idea to keep them as pets, because they will die in captivity if you don't have the right food for them. They're very cute, but I don't recommend having them as pets anyway, simply because they've got a natural setup going here, and to get that whole natural setup would be a bit difficult. And this is the right area for them, so just have to search a bit. Now we are a bit closer because that right there is pearl millipede poop, that. Or should I say pearl millipede fecal matter. But now, where would we find the little guy? Oh girl. Even a little pearl bug. You'll also normally find them around dead leaf litter. There we go. There we go. Hello, little fella. Here we go. So this is a pearl millipede. You can see it's a lot bigger. And when they get scared, they roll into a watertight ball. And then once they relax, they will open up. So we'll give it like a minute or so, and we'll see it starting to open up. You just need a heck of a lot of patience, because I turned the camera off because I thought it's going to take a minute for it to open up, and it's been like 4 minutes. Okay, there we go. I almost spoke too soon. It's starting to open up there. There we go, little buddy. Sorry, the stand is quite close to the highway, so you're gonna hear a lot of background cars, unfortunately. It's so quiet here, and I think that's why you can hear the cars so loudly. There we go. We'll turn the flash on. Now the flash won't bother them because it's the movement that might scare them. There you go. You're okay, little buddy. I won't hurt you, I promise. I just want to show people how beautiful you are, and then I'll put you back. Here we go. Show your face, shy one. And there we go. So I just want to put it aside. I don't want to drop it. Okay. So that's what they look like. And then before you put them back, you just have to give them a little kiss and tell them you will be okay, little buddy. And then you put them back. The best place would be under a lot of leaves and out of the path so nobody can step on it. And so that's the little nature show I gave you. I know it wasn't very educational, but I thought it might be interesting. And if I do come across a bull bug, I will show you guys. There's a lot of spiders here. I don't know if my phone is going to be able to show you. There we go. Hello, fella. Okay, my search will now continue for the bull bug. I am very keen to show you a bull bug. So I'm going to pause the video and go look. When you dig around through these things, you have to be careful because there's centipedes and centipedes bite, and there's a mushroom. A very cool looking one. Awesome. And we found a bull bug. Yes, I did find it before I put the camera on because I didn't want you waiting for hours. So this is a real bull bug. It's a lot smaller than your bull millipedes. It's a very, very cute little fella. I don't know much about them. I actually need to read up a bit on them. This is also snake area. So unfortunately I can't tell you much about them. I would just assume that it would be the same as the bull bug. I'm gonna put it back where I found it and put the leaf that I found over it on top of it again, just to cover it. And there you go, guys. So that is my episode. I showed you a bull bug and I showed you a bull millipede. I'm just looking for some cool stuff. Lots of little spiders and bugs here. Anyway, till next time. Bye.